Hello children, today I will start with essay writing and essays are long compositions in which you elaborate one particular topic given in the question. Okay, so in this essay writing you have to write for 350 words. Minimum is 300 and maximum is 350 words, and these essays contain 20 marks. Out of 20 we give 18 marks to the best essay. There are few instructions which are given here for you people to follow it before drafting or framing an essay. First thing is that read the question carefully and understand the meaning. Children, you should read the question carefully twice or thrice, understand its meaning, and then make a choice. Okay, because there will be 5 essays in the question paper. Out of 5, only one is to be chosen, and especially the one in which you have maximum knowledge. Then come divide the question into subparts. Okay, see, some of the questions are long one in which many subparts are given. You have to answer each subpart. Okay, you have to answer each subpart, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Then come never to start any sentence with because, but, so, and then. I'm repeating it again. Because, but, so, and then. THEN. Okay, if you start with any of these words, these conjunctions, -1 will be deducted. Clear? Use appropriate tense in an essay. You have to use appropriate tense in an essay. If you use wrong tense, okay, again -1. Then come punctuations carefully. You have to use punctuations carefully. Capital letters, commas, colon, okay, inverted commas are to be used very carefully. Otherwise, 1 mark will be deducted. No numerals to be used in the essay except date and year. You should not use numerals in your essay, except date will come the way we write and year also. But suppose here you want to write he gave 30 rupees to me. If you write numeral, it will be -0.5. This way 30 THRIRTY, your marks will not be deducted. Okay, then here not to use any short forms. Example, isn't. Okay, if you use short form of is not, again -0.5. According to, if you use this short form of according to, your marks will be deducted -0.5. Clear, beta? Then come for spelling mistakes also, we cut 0.5, means half marks. And never to use Hindi phrases. Are you clear? Never to use Hindi phrases in an essay. Clear, beta? Otherwise, you will be -1 will be deducted. Are you clear, beta? Here, -1 will be deducted. I'm writing again here. -1 will be deducted. Then come, beta, here next last part is here, divide the essay in paragraphs. Okay, you have to divide the essay in paragraphs. Sometimes children do not make paragraphs and they lose -2. They are like, we will cut -2 marks, beta, for not making paragraphs. Are you clear? These are the points to be followed for writing an essay. Clear? So let me give one example to you here. The question is, suppose cinema both entertains and educates the masses. Cinema both entertains and educates the masses. Express your views either for or against this statement. Now this essay is argumentative essay in which you have to take your stand either for or against. Okay, it means you have to take your stand first and then elaborate your viewpoints. I have made a web here which will help you a lot. Suppose first thing is that write the topic of the question in middle. Cinema both entertains and educates the masses. Okay, make a box here, write the topic in between. Okay, all the initials should be in capital. Clear, beta? Then come on the top, disagree. because I don't think that cinema really entertains and educates the masses. It's my opinion. So I am disagree. You should write. This is actually a skeleton to your essay. It will help you to write for 350 words. 350 words are too much. You should not deviate from your essay, your question. That's why we make a skeleton, a web, which help us to go according to the question only. First thing is that the first line, the first word should be disagree. Are you agree or disagree? So I am disagree, so I will write here disagree. Then I will, in the next paragraph, I will give introduction to the recent surveys. Okay, first thing, I am disagree. Then come introduction to my essay with recent surveys, examples. Then come but here, undoubtedly cinema doesn't entertain and educate the masses. Okay, so because it is a full of vulgarity and shameless exposure. It's my first point. You can make a web actually and give different points here, elaborate these points in a form of a paragraph. So you will be able to write for 350 words. So according to me, I will write I am disagree with the statement that cinema both entertains and educate the masses. I will give introduction to my essay with recent surveys and examples. Then my first point will be it is a full of vulgarity and shameless exposure. I will elaborate this point in one paragraph. In next paragraph, I will write about violence packed films. The movies are full of violence. It instills these feelings in the children also. Then come beta here, negative influence on society. Cinema has a negative influence on society. Clear beta? Then come beta here, blocks imaginative skills. Cinema actually blocks children's imaginative skill, people's imaginative skills. You know, children follow blindly to this cinema, to these actors or actresses actually. Okay, and we do what they say, we follow them blindly. Then come but here fashion. Okay, cinema also, you know, is like it instills fashion in our children, and they start spending their money on these useless things, and definitely spoils their career. Then come but here expensive a source of entertainment. According to me, it is an expensive source of entertainment. It affects your pocket. It, you know, makes you to spend more and more on these things. Then come conclusion. So all the above points make me conclude that I'm sure that cinema doesn't entertain and educate the masses. Actually, it has an adverse effect on the children. Clear? I hope this web is clear to you.